Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I was looking for something that would change my wall space in the kitchen, and this game from OAYAO definitely has. This is a simple, easy to put up tic-tac-toe game that will transform any wall space. Whether you have a game room or just a wall space that you want to add something really unique and fun, this wall decor is really cool looking. It's made out of high quality wooden pieces. They are very, very sturdy, and I found that because the box was packed so well, they came out easily and everything was intact. The diagrams that they included in the box to help you to figure out how to set it up were super helpful. And they give you the option to go with one of their ideas or to change it up and make your own unique one. The game is super inviting and fun. So as soon as I put it up, we had a few people over. As soon as everyone sees this game, they're just wowed by the great fun pieces and just how fun it is to really quickly get into a game of tic-tac-toe. Everything is magnetic. So the pieces stick to your wall very easily and in a really strong way. Nothing slides or falls down. As I mentioned, this is a really super fun idea. I love this wall game. Whether you have a game room or a family room or just a really unique space that you want to add something fun and inviting when you have people over or for your family, you need to check this out. It is really fun and it's well made, and that's my point of view.